Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the DHCP is not enabled for your Wi-Fi in Windows computer. So first of all, to fix that you just need to go to your search bar here and search for control panel here. Search for control panel. Just click on control panel app here, and then if you have go to the view by option here. If you have category option, just choose the large icons here, click on large icons. Then you have to find the network and sharing center here. Click on network and sharing. After opening the network and sharing option, you just have to choose the access type internet, connections, whatever connection you have, just click on here. Then you just have to click on properties here. Click on properties. After opening the properties, you have to find the internet protocol version 4 here. Double click on the internet protocol version 4 here. Then you have to choose the first option here, which is called obtain an IP address automatically. So choose the obtain an IP address automatically here. Also in the second here, choose the obtain DNS server address automatically here. Choose that. Then now just click OK. Then click OK, then close, and hopefully your DHCP is enabled for Windows now. So this problem will fix. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.